Hey folks, today is August 25th. It's currently 12:04. As you can see here, we're on our Bitcoin chart. We're going to look at doing our update for FapTurbo 3.0. First day of this week was the 21st. And as you guys can see, we took lots of trades this week. All right, let's go ahead and dig into it here. First of all, this $53, you can see here, negative 53.60. That's actually the bonus. They give a welcome bonus, 25%, but I typically ask them to remove that, or I'll ask them before I deposit not to add a bonus. That's just something I do. So that's why you see a negative 53.60. That doesn't impact our trading at all here. All right, so like I said, this week we took quite a few trades. Most of our profit targets are around $60, $61, and most of our losses around 50 to 51 from what I'm seeing here. There's a 54. So definitely lots of action this week. And we can take a look at the charts here, and we can kind of see exactly how the system is taking trades here. It's basically trading the pullbacks from what I've seen. For example, here we get a nice heavy push down. The market gives us a pullback, and it'll take a short there, and it rides that down. Here for a buy, we got a nice push up, entered here, and we rolled that up. Same thing here. Market went up, got a pullback, entered here. Obviously, it doesn't work all the time. Entered here again, and entered here, and that one worked. But that's basically, from what I've seen, the methodology that the system uses to get into trades here. Had a little pull up here, pull back. This is a potential level of support here, so I can understand why they would have jumped in there. Then got out right around here, 63. So that's basically what they're looking for. And I did notice something over the weekend. As you can see here, this was our first trade, but for some reason it did not take us out, when we had this push up. You can see, if you recall over here, we typically go for 50 to 60. Well, that one's 62. But here, we should have been out right around on this bar right here. But for some reason, it didn't take us out. And even after the market went up significantly in our direction here, 186, it still didn't take us out. And it ended up a loser here. So I'm not sure what happened with this trade, or I can't even remember when this trade got entered. Let me see here, 8/16. All right, so Wednesday. And then on Sunday, I believe, is when it closed out here. So definitely unsure about that one, but so far for this week, I've been able to watch it trade. I've seen exactly how it's trading, and let's go ahead and take a look down here. Here's that loss. You can see here $1.48, whereas most of our losses are only around 50 cents or so. But right now, we're down $2.80. Bitcoin is a trending market, and the method that they're using does tend to work well in trending markets. So we'll continue to watch it and see what happens over the next few weeks here. Another thing I've noticed is that this isn't trading in the same method that it was when I tested it originally a few months ago. And I did contact support about that. And they said several months back they actually changed some things in the settings, the core settings of the system. So that's why things are a little bit different here. And I've also sent them an email asking if there's a way to trade the original, because I had such good results with it. So we'll see what happens. If there is a way to do that, I might just do a separate test with that, and we'll continue testing this. I guess you could say it's kind of scalping, entering and exiting multiple trades on a daily basis, whereas with the previous system, we'd be in trades for several days up to a week or so. All right, let's go ahead and check the Empire Ambition website. All right, as I said in the first video, I was going to add the myfxbook charts to every post on the site, so you guys won't have to go back to the main post to see that. All right, so all you have to do is come to this post or a previous post, and you'll see the myfxbook chart directly beneath the video. You click on that, and it's going to take you to this page here. As you can see here today, we are up 0.49%. Overall this week, we're down negative 1.15%. So this is our first full week of trading. So we're going to continue, like I said, to trade for another 6 weeks or so. Maybe 7, just to give it a fair run and see how things go. As always, if you guys have any questions on this particular expert advisor, don't hesitate to send them my way. And if you want to get your 7-day free trial, make sure you click the link below. Take care, folks. And the reason I'm doing this video early is because I'm not going to have time this afternoon. So I decided to go ahead and knock it out since there don't seem to be any new trades coming in. All right, folks, have a great weekend. One more thing I forgot to touch on. I'm also going to look and see if the time frame makes a difference. I don't believe it should make a difference, but I'm also going to ask them about that. Maybe I need to, up it to the hourly or the 4-hourly chart in order for it to switch over to taking the larger profits and stops. So we'll see about that as well. I'll update you guys on everything on next week's video. All right, take care.